What's up, guys? It is your boy E, and I am back again with another video of another statement piece, because that is just how I do. And today we are back with the one and only Luke Zion, and we got the 5.5mm Franco chain. This is something that I'm really looking forward to. You guys all know I love Luke Zion silver. I'm a super big fan of it. And with that, Bob, do your thing. All right, guys, so we are back in, and here we go. We got another one of these beautiful heavy-duty bags with the Luke Zion in here. Oh, you know what, guys? I think it could be a little more of that ASMR vibe. Let's do this right for you guys. Let's treat you over here. You ready? Here we go. Oh, wow, that was nice.
Oh, that's that good shit.
All right, guys, so let's pull it out. Pause. Definitely not pulling it out.
My nigga.
We got the Luke Zion box right here. Classic black box. That's what she said. Pause. And here we go. This is the 5. Wow. I can see the shine already, guys, coming through this plastic bag even. I mean, that is crazy. I haven't even taken the damn chain out yet. Jesus. We got the Luke Zion sticker. We got that nice chromed out sticker. You guys want to put it on your toaster, put it on the back of your car, put it on your forehead, whatever you want to do with it. Put it on your Toyota Corolla, albeit go for it. That is it. Gonna save my box. Let us get back to the chain, and I am about to put the fancy gloves on, but let's open up the bag and let us pull this chain out. And here, wow, guys, this one is a absolute bang. All right, I'm putting this down. This is like a fancy glove must need on a chain like this. I mean, I'm already seeing that upgraded pear clasp. I mean, this thing is on another level. Let's get on the fancy gloves for you guys.
I'm gonna take you to a place I've never.
Got to do the right thing by you. You guys can see these details, but yeah, this thing I can already tell is next level over here. Take a look at this. This has some weight on it too. I think this is 107 grams, but take a look at this, guys. This is absolutely crazy. This thing is absolutely fire. This class, I don't know what it is. I mean, listen, I'm always cool with lobster clasp, but when you see these upgraded lobster clasps like this, let me see if I can hold this up to actually kind of show it to you guys a little bit clearer over here. But we got that upgraded pear-shaped lobster clasp. I mean, I just love that little addition. We got the fully closed jump rings on the side over here. It says Italy 925. Obviously, that's where all of Luke Zion's chains come from. And guys, this thing is absolutely beautiful. I mean, you can wear this on its own. This would be great to stack with like a wheat chain, maybe a prism cut rope chain, another Franco chain. This is completely versatile, completely. Like, this is definitely a statement piece on its own, and you can definitely pull off a bigger look with a nice stack with this. But this thing is just incredible, guys. It's weird. Every time I look at a Luke Zion chain, every time I pull them out, it's almost confusing because it's like hard to believe that it's silver. I mean, usually when you get silver, I mean, sure, it shines, but like, you know, it's almost hard to describe on camera. Like, you just have to get it for yourself. But this thing shines like no other. I mean, it is crazy. Like, if I was seeing this out and I didn't know any better, I would automatically assume this was white gold, platinum, something like that. I mean, it is just crazy. So let's get this on the scales of truth, guys. So of course I pressed the wrong button, but let's get this on the scale over here. Let's see what kind of weight we get. And this is 102 grams. It's a perfect weight, perfect weight for this chain. And let us get a measurement. Guys, I'm sorry, but this thing, I don't mean to keep going on about it, but this is really mesmerizing. Like, this is like something I am definitely gonna be wearing. You know, when you get that jewelry and you're just super psyched, like you get it and you open that up, you feel like a kid in a candy store. This is definitely one of those pieces. Let's get a quick measurement. 6.24. Let's get another one over here. 5.64. And let's get another one over here. 5.47 over here. Let's get one more over here. 5.93. So guys, this is definitely over a 5.5. Let's get this thing on neck, because this is what I have been waiting for. Let me actually take my glasses off, because these things always get in my way. And I do believe this is a 28, but yeah, guys, I mean, this thing is absolutely fire. Absolutely fire. I mean, it feels perfect. I mean, listen, I'm a guy that's always down to wear a bigger chain. I do not mind the weight. Some people are weight princesses, like anything more than like 60 or 70 grams, they're not feeling it. I am not that dude. I'll wear a chain that's 300 or 400 grams the same way I'll wear a chain that's 100 grams. But I will say that this chain feels absolutely perfect on neck. It's one of those things where you don't even realize it's there, but it has that presence. It feels good. I mean, I can see the shine. It is just so crazy. I'm going to show you guys some different looks with this chain, as I'm going to show you guys different looks with all the chains I review, but I'm super excited to show you guys different looks with this, because this is just a very versatile chain. So now we got nothing left to do but rate this thing. So on a scale of nope to dope, I'm giving the Luke Zion 5.5mm Franco chain an 8.8. And that is, I believe, one of the highest silver ratings that I've put out there. I think that is the highest silver rating so far in the channel. But guys, I just love this thing. I'm sorry, this thing is absolutely beautiful. The shine is crazy. Amazing job, Luke Zion. Again, just killing it with these pieces. And guys, I'm gonna keep bringing pieces to you from him, because I love this entire line. And he has so many options on the site. And that's just something that's super cool. When you go to a site and you can choose between 25 different styles of chains, it's great. It gives you that ability to start a collection. And if you are a silver lover, definitely a nice place to go. And, you know, listen, there are many other companies that make great silver as well, but, you know, we're talking about Luke Zion now, and this thing, like I said, I love. So listen, guys, don't forget to like the video. I appreciate all you guys always so much. Don't forget to subscribe if you're just coming here for the first time. Definitely check out all my other videos. I got a lot of stuff up, a lot of different opinions, a lot of different chains. Welcome to the channel. And with that, it's your boy Big E, and I am out. Peace.